Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all the foundation I got from Juvia'S place. I got 4 foundations, I got 4 concealers, and I got highlighter, and I got the setting powder. I also got these 2 palettes. I absolutely love like everything I got. The foundation, I know I got up to 4. I can actually work with 4 of them, although 410 might be a little bit darker for me. I got 410, 420, 430, and the 435. They have 42 shades of foundation, and they have 24 shades of concealers. If you don't know, Juvia'S place has been around like since 2015 or thereabouts, and they are well known in the US for beautiful pigmented palettes, and it's black owned business. The founder is EYEBROW. So that's a little bit about the Juvia'S place. So they launched their line of foundation on the 20th of May in US, and I'm really crossing my fingers because I heard that they are coming to UK, and I can't just wait. So that's all the things I just mentioned I got. I absolutely love all of them. All the foundation, like I used 430 and 420, and you know, it blended so well. And I used concealer in to highlight 13, color 13, and I used this color 7 to contour. And believe me, if you're looking for your color, like imagine 42 shades of foundation, there is no way you can find 2 or 3 shades that matches you perfectly, so. And yeah, I'm well pleased with the colors I got, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So I got the look, and I used only this palette to achieve this look, apart from the inner dot area. I got the green from here. So without any delay, I want us to jump right into this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell beside it. Only that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
It came with a box, and these are the foundations I ordered.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
I want to go ahead and try the foundation shades, so I can see the one that matches me very well. Like, so the first one I am going to try will be 410 Nairobi. So before then, the pack looks like this, and it's 30 ml, and I am magic. I'm going to be swatching them on my cheek. Then when you open it, it has this foil that they use to seal the the top here. So I'm going to remove it and show you this. So this is Nairobi, and the next one I'm going to try is 420 Havana. I'm actually loving them. I am between 410 and 435, so I'm like, why not get all? So this is 430. Honestly, I'm not in any way regretting this, because I can work with this, I can work with this, definitely I can work with that one. I can't wait for them to come to UK, because I heard they are trying to launch a branch here in UK. I can see that the foundation oxidizes, and when it does that, if you don't get the one that is a little bit lighter than your color, it might end up being a bit darker for you. I'm actually cleaning the brush when I'm doing that, so I'm going to try another one. This is 435. Each time of year carries memories. Wow, this is 435. Honestly, I'm so glad I got the 4 of them, because I don't even know the one that I'm going to choose, like the one that is mine. I'm going to clean the brush as well. I don't even know the one that is mine. Skin tone, because they look very, very similar. Believe me, I watch tons and tons of videos and decided to get this one that I got. So which one do you guys think is my skin tone? So comment below, let me know the one you think is my skin tone. 410, 420, 430, 435. Honestly, they are very, very close. I am going to go ahead and just leave it there and try the concealers. I know this one looks dark because I got it for contouring. I like the fact that it has the applicator, you know. So the next one I'm going to try is the number 12. Ooh la la, I really like this. And if you know me, you know that I love Juvia'S products. This one is number 13, so I'm going to try number 13. Wow. And from darkest to the lightest. So this is number 16, and I'm going to put it here. Ooh, this is so perfect for highlighting as well. Yeah, which one am I going to? This is 410, 420, 430, 435. This is 7, 12, 13, and 16. Session time. What do you guys think? I'm so confused now. I am going to go, when it oxidizes, it becomes a bit darker. So I think my color is between this and this. I think so. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, let me start with this and see how it goes. If it's too light, I'm going to use this one and this and mix it. If it's not that light, I can mix these two. Yeah, so as for the highlighter, I can use either this or this, yeah, depending on what I want. The good thing about this, you can actually use these ones as foundation as well, so they are not waste. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wipes and wipe everything off. I'm going to go ahead and use, this is Gaia Cosmetics. It's a vegan free. I'm going to put a little bit and this primer. So after that, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty primer. I like putting it at the back of my hands to know what I'm actually. So I don't use too much. Use this brush and 430, which is real. The one thing I found out about this foundation is that a bit, just a little goes a long way. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. I don't really like using beauty blender. I feel like it takes the product away from your face. Like you can see this. I like to dab it. I like to push it in. I don't like to. Honestly, it looks like my face is just filtered now. So I'm going to use 420, just a tiny bit like this. So I feel like this is not bad, and this is real, and 430 and 420. I'm going to highlight with 13. I don't want to use too much. So this is 13. I'm going to just a tiny bit. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching. And before then, I'm going to contour with the darkest shade. I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Go ahead and blend it. So before I finished everything, I'm going to show you guys how the setting powder looks. I'm going to go ahead and use the setting powder. Each time of year carries memories. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the tribe highlights. Amazing, like amazing. So it came with this protector. after that I went ahead to use a little bit of the powder. It's
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
And I will come back and show you guys.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze.
So guys, this is the finished look. I think the foundation is really nice. It looks, you know, filtered. It looks nice. I think this color is not bad at all. Like the color I went for isn't bad at all, and I think I can work with all 4 colors. You know what you guys think, and give me a huge thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you next in my next video. Bye.
Another season.